Hi guys, I'm going to make a market analysis video, the crypto market and some of the crypto coin updates on my Let's Talk Bitcoin and Crypto channel that I'm wanting to make more videos. Okay, let's get down with it. So, so we are definitely in a bull market and so let's go to CoinGecko. So what's happening here? Okay, so we know that Bitcoin has reached another all-time high. So it's now 60,000. After reaching to 60,000, it's trying to find a good consolidation zone, meaning the last 58,300, which was the last all-time high that Bitcoin broke yesterday, and it's trying to find a nice resistance there, and we're just trying to see whether it can stay above that 58,300 level that I'm going to show soon. So what's happening, as if you quickly see last 7 days, the top few coins, I can see a mix of green and red, but mostly green. Cardano, I really like this project. I think Cardano is probably a great opportunity to buy Cardano right now. And Chainlink 29 below $30 now, and I think maybe Chainlink is also a good time to buy. As you can see, it's below, it's a little downward trend, and these are good projects. Top 10 projects, I believe all of them. Oh, cool. Uniswap is in top 10 now. I think it has been it's already a $1 billion market cap. Bitcoin dominance is above 60%. Okay, and what's happening with the Stellar? Stellar is a downward trend. It's 39 cent. Doge, the meme Doge. Okay, Doge, Doge is dipping. Yes. Then Aave, Aave is also down. Monero, Monero has a strong upward, and I haven't been following Monero for a while. So IOTA, Tron, Filecoin. I like Filecoin. I wish I was thinking about running a Filecoin node to earn Filecoin, but after talking with Decoder, we realized that it's a lot of storage, lot of requirements they have. And but Filecoin is in a bull market, isn't it? Whoever bought Filecoin early on are making a lot of money. And Tejos, synthetic, I like synthetics. Synthetics is in a downward trend, 7-day minus 7%. So one quick idea is you can, when you buy coin, you always want to buy in a dip. So basically you can see out of top 100 which one, just clicking on here by 7-day, you can see that which one has significantly dropped, and maybe that gives an indication of maybe it's time for it to buy. But that's just one indicator. You should always look at multiple indicators when you choose what to buy and what to sell. So I like the graph. Okay, so who is the winner of last 7 days? Chilis. I don't know what this coin is. Chilis. I know Decentraland. I own a little bit. Decentraland is $1. Oh, this project is really rising. It has been dead forever, and now it's rising. Let's take a look at its price now. Oh, you see, it's like since 2018, the max price it had is 24 cent. Then it was dead, and then recently I think I have been listening about Listenerland for a while. I think they made some collaborations. This is the kind of, usually when I think about DTube, this is probably what uh, we are we can be able to do. Meaning, like, we are probably at the stage here. If we do good work, maybe we'll be nascent like this, but then When we catch on, we'll catch on like this. So that's my perspective. I need to take a look at Chili's. What exactly is it? Chili's, Chili's, Chili's is a fintech platform for the sports industry to allow global fans to get closer to their favorite sports team. Okay, so it's a sports related and people like sports. So, okay, I'll take a look at it. And it's below $1. So this is parabolic, guys. This is insane. Okay. So Chile's Decentraland Hedera hash graph. That's also interesting. Hollow chain, I know. I think Hollow has gotten a lot of press before. Engine coin, Engine coin. I think Engine coin is a really good investment. If you are asking me for one coin to buy, I would say Engine coin because Engine coin provides it's with related with AIM tokens. So if because there's a very dedicated gamer community, right? And Engine coin is basically um, tapping onto that market. So um, if you can go into the website and quickly look, but I'm not going to do it right now. So okay, so engine I don't hold engine coin yet, but I'm interested in engine coin more. And Zilliqa, BitTorrent I like. BitTorrent, yes, I think BitTorrent is one of the tokens. It's sort of Filecoin. I think why Filecoin has been gaining so much, but BitTorrent is not. It's probably due to uh, the circulating supply or total supply. As you can see, BitTorrent's total supply is a lot of supply. So that's like 990 billion. 990 billion versus Filecoin is only 1 billion. So PowerCoin, that's why PowerCoin price is high because you always have to multiply that how much market cap can gain over time. So that's the reason. Okay, so that was a quick update. So maybe we can go quickly through um, the winner list. Where was that? So explore altcoin portfolio DeFi market. Maybe you can quickly go to coin market cap. I want to see these are only top 100 coins that I was talking about. Let's see some of the coins out of this list and go to cryptocurrencies, gainers and losers. I typically try not to hold coins outside. As you can see, these coins go like 7,000%. That's like if you had $1,000 with $1,000, you have made like $70,000 there. So, but they are typically not on exchanges, prominent exchanges. So you risk with your coin wherever you put, but sometimes it's probably good to take risk. So Holochain is there actually. So NFTL tokens. So these are one of the NFT tokens, I guess. So NFT tokens are doing really good. Panda DAO, I've never heard about it. Shiba Inu. Okay, yeah, this is like another meme coin, I guess. But as you can see, yeah. So I'll have to take a look. Some of this meme coin, they will probably be here. It's interesting. MediShares is probably not sure whether it's related with Medicare or something, healthcare industry. Okay, that's parsing through some of the cryptocurrencies here. Now let's look into the price action. So what is happening? Let's go to the Bitstamp. So I made a video yesterday. So as we can see here, so after breaking, so that was the breaking point here, as you can see, 58,000. 58,000, that's a daily chart. Let's go to 4 hourly chart and So that's the 58,300 line that yesterday we have broken with this very big green 4 hourly candle. But still the volume wasn't like significant. Look at here, look at on 8 February, you see how big of a volume this is. So this bar I'm talking about, so we still haven't seen such significant volume, which is in a way good, because let's look at RSI here. So what in terms of RSI, let's close this window. RSI, we are below 770%, which is good. That means it still has its steam to go up here, still can go up. So maybe another push like this. So okay, so you can take a there's some patterns that people talk about called bullish divergence versus bearish divergence, and which is I can take a quick look at it. Bullish divergence, if you search, um, these divergences are very interesting, and basically sort of like this chart, as you can see. So when the price is, you have a lower low here, but you see a higher low on RSI, that actually gives you a bullish divergence. So price is lower low, price has a downward trend, but then RSI has a sort of upward trend. And these are one indicators. You should always combine multiple indicators. As we can see, it's just came down below 60K right now, but it's good that it's holding above 58,000. So let's look at a broader trend. So from October, we have been on this bull trend, sort of like the exponential line, as you can see, sort of this exponential line. This line is acting like a resistance, so it's kind of like bouncing back and forth here, and hopefully we will soon see a move to 75,000. Yesterday I showed with my Fibonacci retracement tool, you take from the top and you do from the bottom, and then you look at this line 1.618. So the recent target is probably the 67,900 $900 one, and so basically about $68,000. If we go 4 hourly, maybe you can make it more precise here. Okay, so the next target is going to be this line. So so everybody's waiting for retesting 61,000 here. Once, if there's multiple scenarios that can play out. We can bounce back, we can come down to 58,000 here, then bounce back, then lurk here like this, and then possibly make a move upward like this, and go to 67,000, and hopefully it's also possible that we can have a move if we go into this region, because once we break an all-time high, there is no upper ceiling, right? Because we have never traded above, so the price can go anywhere. Okay, so that was a quick price analysis. So if we look at what happened exactly today, maybe I can go to a smaller time frame. Let's hide this. Let's hide the Fibonacci retracement here. Smaller time frame if I go. So after yesterday's move here, from here, that started early morning Saturday, Sunday, we are basically looking into like a small bear trend, but it's trying to keep above this push right here. Okay, so hopefully at least we want to see if it breaks. We want to see whether this acts like a resistance, and if we consolidate the price here like this, that means it will be better or easier after multiple try to break the 61,000 and go up. Now, what's happening in terms of Ethereum? So if you compare Ethereum here, ETH-USD here, we compare ETH-USD here, ETH is also sort of correlated, as we can see. As you can see, it nicely lines up here, so it's correlated. It's pretty correlated, but since yesterday, let's see what happened yesterday. So if we go to 5-minute time window, let me remove this curves here. Okay, so ETH is closely following Ethereum, very closely following Ethereum. So in terms of ETH only, ETH has not broken its all-time high yet. Even the Bitcoin has broken its all-time high, right? Bitcoin is above its all-time high. That means ETH has a possibility of much more growth than Bitcoin. So what I mean by that, if you go to 4-hourly, you see Bitcoin has broken its all-time high, but ETH is still below its all-time high. That means ETH still has a possibility of a higher growth than Bitcoin. So once we see it breaking this line 2039, then it can go much faster. So it's possible that it may reach 3,000. What I mean is, if we go to daily time, you can see. So you see, it took a lot of time. So this here is 5th May 2018. Then as you can see here, that's July 2019. Then fairly recently, it broke that line here. Then it broke this line here, that is 1400. After almost how many days? It's like almost 3 years. It took it to change the course. That is 1100 days. That is about 4 years. So it took 4 years for it to break its previous all-time high, and now the problem is we can see sort of like a double top here. So double tops are not necessarily a good thing, but we'll see how it turns out. So I'm pretty sure if Bitcoin goes bullish and starts moving towards 70,000 or 80,000, ETH also will break its all-time high, and when it breaks its all-time high, then it will reach towards another high. And because a lot of other cryptocurrencies is basically ERC20 token, Ethereum token, that means it has a there we will see another crypto boom season. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for joining my video, and I will try to make more consistently some market analysis video. Try to make it simpler and maybe much shorter also. Thank you.